ముఖ్యంగా ఈ హ్యూమన్ వాల్యూ చాలా అవసరం, మానవతా విలువలు చాలా అవసరం.
Today human values are very very necessary.
మానవతా విలువ హృదయం నుంచి పుట్టేటువంటిది.
The human value comes out of the heart.
మనకు మనం ఆచరణలో పెట్టేటువంటిది.
It is the one that will take us to practice.
ప్రతి విషయాన్ని కూడా మనం ఆచరణలో పెట్టి ఇతరులకు బోధించండి.
Every matter we must practice first and then teach.
అంత సులభం కాదు.
It's not that easy.
కానీ కష్టపడాలి.
But yet we must struggle.
కష్టే ఫలి.
Out of struggling only you will have result.
ఎంత కష్టపడాలి?
You should work hard.
ఒక కార్ డ్రైవింగ్ నేర్చుకోవాలంటే ఎంత కష్టపడాలి?
To learn driving you should work hard.
అట్లనే హ్యూమన్ వాల్యూ కూడా నేర్చుకోండి.
Similarly learn human value.
ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇవ్వండి.
Practice it.
శ్రేయో హి జ్ఞానం అభ్యాసాత్.
Without practice you cannot have anything.
ధ్యానం విశేషతే. ధ్యానాత్ కర్మ ఫలత్యాగ. త్యాగ శాంతి అనంతరం. ఒకటి అభ్యాసం. వాకింగ్, టాకింగ్, రీడింగ్, రైటింగ్, ఈటింగ్ అన్ని త్రూ ప్రాక్టీస్.
So walking, talking, reading, writing, everything comes out of practice.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Offering my most humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of Bhagavan, trustee of the Sri Sathya Sai Educational Trust, the principal, conveners and teachers of all the campuses. Sai Ram to all of you.
Sai Ram, Sai Ram.
I want to know how many of you don't know English. I want to know how many of you don't know English. So all of you understand English? Okay. But anyway, I will mix up both English as well as Kannada. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಎರಡೂ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. But it's going to be very very lively. This is not a classroom session which you normally conduct. Normally ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, classroom session ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಲ್ವಾ. This is not a classroom session. This is an interactive session. But as Brother Sridhar was mentioning, your questions you can put it in the chat, the question box. But my questions, I have a lot of doubts. I will keep asking questions to you. Right? It's not that we all know or know all.
Teacher will be asked questions.
Yeah. For once, the teacher will be asked questions. Right? So let us be interactive. Whenever I ask you questions, as you expect from your students, please answer. Right? The first topic, now the next 2 days, my friends, is going to be very crucial. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಸತ್ಯಸಾಯಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಜವಾದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬ್ರದರ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಗಳು, ಈ ಪವರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಗಳು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ನಾವು ಬರೀ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮೈಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಮೈಕ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಮೈಕ್ ನಾನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಡ್ಡತನ ಅಂತ ಅದು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಮೈಕ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್? ನೋ. It is somebody's voice that the mic is amplifying. We are the mic. The sound is coming from Bhagavan. It is the sound of Bhagavan that is being transmitted through this mic, this body, and we are going to have Bhagavan's teachings for the next 2 days. Sathya Sai Baba ಅವರು ಅನೇಕ ಓರಿಯಂಟೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 85 ವರ್ಷ 33,130 ದಿವಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದು, 33,130 ಡೇಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ he has churned the educational system. He has given the real knowledge to the world. ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಫ್ರಾಟರ್ನಿಟಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯಿಂದ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಎನಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಕೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೋ ಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡನ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ಬಾಬಾ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾಳೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸತ್ಯ ನಾಳೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಗೋಚರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now let's come to the topic, teaching, a noble profession. Is it? Of all the professions, ಕೆಲವರು ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವರು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವರು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ teaching is the most noble profession. Why? First question. I am having a doubt. How do you say that noble profession? Now I will be going around, okay? Forget about Purana now. I will be coming around. The mic is there. You can answer the question. I am having a doubt now. How do you say that teaching is a noble profession? Yes.
We'll share the knowledge, sir. We'll share our knowledge.
We will share our knowledge. Okay?
All the professions
So all the-
were come from teachers only.
All the professions come from teachers. Good. Yes, ma'am.
That's what was my answer to, sir.
So both of you, in the breakfast, sat together and concluded this. Okay.
All the professions, like all teachers build all the professions. Like we
All,
build
Wonderful.
all the teachers
Teachers.
build all the professions. Please give them a big hand. The teachers build all the professions. Because anybody else was a student, right? Even the Prime Minister of India was a student. The President of India was a student. The President of America was a student. Everybody was a student. Just like all of us are sons of some mothers, right? So all of us were students. So teaching is the most noble profession. Not only that. Why? Because it is the teacher who creates a society. ಇವತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕಾರಣ, ಸಮಾಜ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ನೀವೇ ಕಾರಣ. ಎರಡೂ ಇದೆ. ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವವರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೇನು ಅಡಿಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಭಟ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅಡಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಭಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೂಫ್, ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್, ಈಸ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಕೈಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್. If the society is good, it is because of you. If the society is bad, it is also because of you. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, IIM ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಒಬ್ರು, ಯಾವ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸು, ಲಾಯರ್ಸು, ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳ್ಳರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಜಗಳ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಯರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಜಗಳ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? ಏನೋ ಗೋಲ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೂರನೇದು ಏನು? ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ರೋಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಮಾಜ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಮೂರದು ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮೂರು ಇಲ್ಲವೋ ಆ ಸಮಾಜ ಶಾಂತವಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧರ್ಮವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ದಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, that chartered accountant and that lawyer was also your student, right? So you are creating the society. That is why teacher is a noble society, because the teacher who pays, a teacher educates and transforms lakhs of students. ಈಗ ಒಂದು 21 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತಿನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, teacher has got no retirement. In fact, lifelong is a teacher. ಒಂದು 60 ವರ್ಷ, 65 ವರ್ಷ, 70 ವರ್ಷ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು? ಒಂದು 50 ವರ್ಷ. ಒಂದು 50 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಮ್ಮ? ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಓನ್ಲಿ 100 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಇಯರ್? ನೋ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ?
Depend upon schools, ma'am, sir. For example, our school, so 350 students, 1 year.
Approximately 500.
500 students you have,
Total
right?
thousands.
Huh? Okay, we'll take it as ballpark figure of 500. 500 students, one teacher handles in her 1 year. So 500 into 50 years. How much it is? You need a calculator for that. Swami says, no? ಒಂದು ಬನಿಯನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಧೋತಿ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So you need a calculator 50 into 50 years into 500 students per year. So much of lakhs of how much? How much?
2 lakh.
Max teacher.
25,000.
25, no? 2,50,000. 2,50,000 students you are creating.
Wow.
Did you realize that in your lifetime 2,50,000 minds you are transforming? You are creating a society. Nimma kaiyilide samaja. You can make or break it. Right? So this orientation program is for that, because not only other teachers, this institution is very, very unique. Very unique in very many ways. You are all blessed. You are getting a lifetime opportunity, brothers and sisters. You are getting a lifetime opportunity for you to excel. A teacher is like a guide post. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಹೀಗೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಗೈಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಈ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇ ಗೈಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್. ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗೈಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್. ಎ ಗುರು ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಗೈಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಗೈಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ the student. Kothari Commission ಅವರು, you know what is Kothari Commission? Yes?
The first National Education
Policy. Na Kothari Commission was the first one who Kothari was heading that, and Kothari Commission submitted a report. There were a lot of commissions like this. Purnananda Commission, Kothari Commission, various commissions were there. But the commission which Swami has initiated is fantastic. Right? Now, Kothari Commission ಅವರು, the future of India is shaped in today's classrooms. The future of India is shaped in today's classrooms. Classroom ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಮಾಜ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೋಠಾರಿ. So it's a teacher who creates a futuristic society which is peaceful, which is harmonious, which is value based, with full of character. Adu nimma kainalide. Right? Teacher of teachers. There are plenty of teachers. Don't think only Radhakrishnan was a teacher, Dr. Abdul Kalam was a teacher. No. This world has produced very many teachers. Who are all the teachers? The teachers were Jesus Christ was a teacher. Bhagavan Buddha was a teacher. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was a teacher. Illa sir, avarella Swamiji sir, avarella ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕೂತು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜಗತ್ ಗುರುಸ್. They were teacher of teachers. Sri Rama was a teacher. He lived by his example. He also transmitted knowledge, but also lived with that example. Sri Krishna was a teacher. Not only because he gave Bhagavad Gita, but throughout his life, every movement was his teaching. Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, every step was a lesson. Living with God is true education. Living with God is true education. Because my life is my message. My life is my message. ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. My life is my message. Not only that, your life is also his message. That means our life was his message. Anidala. Yaar photo.
Baba.
Please give her a big hand. Your photo will come in that empty place, your photo will come there. That means you are going to be of the elite club of all the avatars. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವತಾರ್ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇರ್ತೀರ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು, ನೀವು ಟೀಚರ್. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನೀವು ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಸಮಾಜ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನೀವು ಸಮಾಜ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಮಾನವೀಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳ ತತ್ವಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು, ನೀವು ತತ್ವಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. So you are not just human beings, sisters. You are not just human beings, you are noble human beings with a definite purpose, definite guideline who is given by the Lord Himself. He has chiseled you. He has chiseled you to be a perfect teacher like this, and He has handpicked and put it in Dharwad. You may be in Haliyal or Davangere or Chitradurga or anywhere place, but He has just handpicked all of you and put it in Dharwad campus. Why? Because you have to create a society for the 22nd century and more than that, the future centuries. So you have responsibility on hand. Nimma kaiyalli ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ responsibility ಇದೆ. It is not an easy thing. It is very easy to be a doctor. It is very, very easy to be a lawyer. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. It is extremely easy to be a chartered accountant. Because today all educated people are vulnerable, dangerous people. ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆದರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹೊರತು ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಒಬ್ಬರು ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರೇ ಬಹಳ ಮೋಸ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಒಸಾಮಾ ಬಿನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಡನ್, he had 1 week long qualification. So education is becoming vulnerable. ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಅವರೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಯಾರೇ ನೋಡಿ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರು? ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ವಿದ್ಯೆಗೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೃತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯಸಾಯಿ ಬಾಬಾ. ನಾಳೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. He is disconnecting the profession with qualification. It has not got no link. That is what you are going to learn in the next 2 days. So the empty frame is going to be your frame.